What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Hector and we're back with another banger.
This is not a banger. This is not a banger. And I know bangers. I know bangers.
It's been quite a while since I made a video. Last one maybe was over a year ago. I kind of lost, honestly, the passion to upload any videos, but I still kept on working on my Evo. So there's been still quite a few changes and still some love given to the Evo in the background. But yeah, so today we got a good video and I'm gonna go ahead and start off with just saying what I've done to the Evo. Meanwhile, I haven't been uploading. As you can see, I did some exterior changes to the Evo. There's some Mars taillights that are actually with the clear lens on there, along with my old wheels back, which are the Advan RGD2s. And they're the 18 by 10.5, and it actually all looks pretty well put together, to be honest. Since I had last recorded the video, I was on air suspension, but I said fuck all that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. And now I'm on Fortunato 500s. Along with that, let me go ahead and actually take you guys up to the front here. So I decided to take it upon myself to go ahead and paint the intercooler piping along with the strut bar some sort of gray metallic paint on it. I don't know, and it looks pretty decent, honestly. It looks pretty well put together. As well, I did the intercooler piping that's down here. You can't really see it, but it looks all pretty good. So this is actually the front end of the Evo. I actually traded some fog lights for these carbon fiber bezels as well, and it fits pretty well on it too. So the front end is looking pretty nice too, you know, got to give some love to the front. And last that I had recorded, I had actually recorded on a camera. So if it comes out a little bit choppy on here, I apologize. It's with my phone. So I'm trying to get used to this and used to recording on the phone. And hopefully it's quite an easy process since it's my first video coming back, I guess. But what brings me back, I actually have an install for today. And if you don't, or if you haven't seen already, it's this exhaust system here. So it's going to be the Tomei titanium single exit exhaust. Right now I'm currently running a Greddy titanium exhaust as well, but I've heard good things about Tomei and I have a couple of friends who run it, and it sounds like a night and day difference compared to what I run. So hopefully it's a good exhaust for me as well. Hopefully it's something I like, but we'll see. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the install today, and you guys are gonna come along with me, and let's get started. I took out already the exhaust, and this portion I know is at least gritty. I'm not too sure about all this. It looks like if it was custom made by the previous owner. Kind of looks like dog shit, not gonna lie, but if it works, it works. This is definitely a lot heavier than that will be. Now to go ahead and put this Tomei beautiful piece of art together and slap it on the Evo. Con una chelita se ve más bonita. Okay, so it actually lasted longer than I thought it was gonna last. Only because the mid pipe, you actually had to turn it a certain way to fit with the test pipe, and I was struggling for a good minute, but I did go ahead and bring it back down. Tomei's there, and everything's put back on. Practically everything's ready, so let's go ahead and hear it. Ultimately, that was the install for today. I just wanted to do the Tomei and I guess take you guys for the ride with me, and it reminded me a lot of how intriguing it was to make YouTube videos. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more. I don't know when the next one will be, but thank you guys for coming along with me and joining me on this little journey. Here's to another one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.